central Massachusetts, Hillsborough County in southern New Hampshire, southeastern Cheshire County in southern New Hampshire, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located from near WEARE to Jaffrey and PETERSHAM, and were moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This line of storms will produce pockets of wind damage across northern Massachusetts and southern New Hampshire. Some locations impacted include Manchester, Nashua, LEOMINSTER, FITCHBURG, MERRIMACK, Orange, Jaffrey, Bedford, GARDNER, GOFFSTOWN, MILFORD, ATHOL, PEPPERELL, AMHERST, GROTON, WINCHENDON, LUNENBURG, TOWNSEND, WEARE, and LITCHFIELD. Go indoors and stay away from windows. Drivers should prepare for low visibility and avoid flooded roads.